Hi everyone, let's quickly solve for the value of x. All right, okay, now let's factorize. They have 5 to the power of x in common. We are going to factorize that 5 to the power of x. Now when this is divided by itself, we have 1. When this is divided by itself, we have 1. Same thing here, same thing here, right? Is equal to 56. So we have 1 times 1 times 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 should be 4. So what we have is 4 brackets 5 to the power of x is equal to 56. Now we can get divide both sides by 4, right? So we have 4 multiplied by 5 to the power of x divided by 4 is equal to 56 divided by 4. Okay, now this will cancel this, and we have 5 to the power of x is equal to, now when 4 divide 5, we have 1 remainder 1. If we divide 16, we have 4. So what we have is 5 to the power of x is equal to 14. All right, now let's introduce log to both sides of this equation. So we have log 5 to the power of x is equal to log 14. Now recall that when you have log a to the power of b, that this is equal to b multiplied by log a. Okay, all right, so that simply means that we can rewrite this as x multiplied by log 5 is equal to log 14. Okay, now let's divide both sides of this equation by log 5. And when we do that, we are going to have x log 5 divided by log 5 is equal to log 14 divided by log 5. Okay, now log 5 we cancel log 5, and we have that x is equal to log 14 divided by log 5. Okay, now we have that x is equal to, recall that log 14 can be expressed as log 7 multiplied by 2, right? Divided by log 5. Now when you have log a, b, that is log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Okay, all right, that simply means that we can rewrite this as x is equal to log 7 plus log 2, everything divided by log 5. All right, now we are going to distribute the denominator for each of the numerators. So we have x is equal to log 7 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. Okay, all right, now when you have log a divided by log b, this is equal to log a base b. Okay, so that simply means that we can rewrite this as x is equal to log 7 base 5 plus log 2 base 5. All right, okay, now this is the value of our x. Wait, do you know that the most interesting aspect is what we're about to do now? Yes, I'm about to prove that the answer we got is correct. Is it really correct? Like, is this really the correct answer? Now I'd like you to watch to the end and let us prove that the answer that we got is correct. Okay, now let's go ahead and do that. Now the first thing we need to do is to remember the equation. Yes, so the equation says, look at it, that 5 to the power of x into 4 places is equal to 56. So that is what I'm going to write now. It says that 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x is equal to 56, and this is our x. So let's substitute. So we have 5 to the power of log 7 base 5 plus log 2 base 5 plus 5 to the power of log 7 base 5 plus log 2 base 5. This is going to be long. plus 5 to the power of log 7 base 5 plus log 2 base 5 plus 5 to the power of log 7 base 5 plus log 2 base 5 is equal to 56, is equal to 56. All right, now it's going to look shorter now, yes, so don't worry. Now recall that we have 5 to the power, as in 4 into this particular one into 4 places, that is 4 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 7 to the base 5 plus log 2 base 5. So we've shortened it already, is equal to 56. All right, now we have, I want you to note something. Yes, note something, that when you have a raised to the power of log b base a, all right, that this is equal to b, the whole of this is equal to b. As long as this base and this base are equal, all you are going to have remaining is this. There is a proof to that, but there is no time to do it. I don't want this video to be too long. All right, okay, so that means that we have, oh, okay, yes, but before that I want us to solve what we have in the bracket, and that states that, recall that a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So that simply means that I can rewrite this as 4 brackets 5 to the power of log 7 base 5 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 base 5, all right, is equal to 56. Now we are going to recall the law that I explained here. So let's do that. Permit me to draw my line. Yeah, okay, now this is what we have. Let me just write it out. This is what we have: 4 brackets 5 to the power of log 7 base 5 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 base 5, and everything is equal to 56. Okay, all right, now recall that, sorry, trying to stop blocking the lens so that it won't be bluish. All right, so we have 4 brackets. Now the whole of this is 7, right? We have 7 multiplied by the whole of this is 2, just like I explained. Since they have the same base, is equal to 56. So we have 4 bracket 14 is equal to 56. Now when 4 times 4, you have 16. 6 is carry 1, right? 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5, is equal to 56. And this is correct. Now thank you so much for watching. I would like you to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell if this is the first time you are seeing us, because we have amazing videos that we upload for you daily, like at least twice a day. And please give us a thumbs up if you actually enjoy this video, and please ignore the noise on the background. Bye.